Having a reliable accelerator pedal assembly is important. When it's time to replace, we've got the perfect reproduction for you. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1968 to 72 Chevelle El Camino, GTO Tempest and Le Mans, and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo accelerator pedal assemblies. This is an exact duplicate of the original accelerator pedal assembly. The originals wear out after years of continuous use, so they need to be replaced with this correct reproduction with all the same ratcheting mechanisms as the factory part. The pedals are manufactured from injection molded plastic. They feature the correct rubber grooves and chrome plated trim just like the originals. In addition, every assembly comes with the mounting bracket and rod for a straightforward installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.